To Christmas Eve day! It is day 24 in our countdown to Christmas. This is the day 24 of the Advent calendar unboxings, and it's day 24 of Vlogmas 2018. Can we all just take a minute and be like, what the heck? What the heck? I'm literally just like, how has this even happened? But it has. And we are here, and we're going to go straight in and unbox the Airwick Advent Calendar Day 24. Does this one have a Day 25? I'm not actually sure, but I found Day 24. Let's get the scissors. I cannot open this without the scissors. Not with these nails. Oh, so this one is in like a special thing, I think. The others just came in a regular silver tea like thing. This is in like a special red one. And it is the mulled wine one, which is very, very nice. So I actually really like that. So maybe there isn't day 25 in here. I think it's just 24. I think that's all of those are open, and that is the last one. Yeah, like I'm not hearing anymore. So that is everything for the Advent calendar. I do think it's a really cute idea, and I do really, really like it. And I really like that they've gone that extra mile and made like day 24 special and like a red one. I know it probably sounds really like lame, but I really like that. Let's go into the Advent calendar I made myself this year. And day 24 is right here. Can't remember what's in here. It's another one of the So Fragrance body sprays. This is So... Is this like just the So? It just says So. The others normally say like So Kiss Me or So something. Oh, I love it. I really, really like these body sprays. Fragrance with attitude. So that is the, I'm guessing that is the original So, and that is what came in my Advent calendar that I made myself. I'm going to say cheers to you all. It is Christmas Eve, and I hope you are all having an amazing December. Let's go into the Sleek Advent calendar, which is right here. Let's have a look. Day 24, I have found it. I'm sure that this one's got 25. Yes, I can already see number 25. So this one has got 25 days in it, so we're not at the end yet. Ooh, I'm excited. We've got a few of these so far, and I'm really excited about them. It's another Matte Me lip cream in birthday suit. Ooh, I'm not going to put this one on my hand because I did put one on my hand and I couldn't, like, they proper stay on. I just wanted to test it, and they do really stay on. Can't really smell that, but that's a really nice nude, and it's called Birthday Suit, and obviously it's just a nice nudie colour. Very excited. I'm really pleased with the Sleek calendar. I probably wouldn't get it next year because I imagine you'd get a lot of the same things because I've not had it before. If you've not had one before, and especially if you don't have that many Sleek products, definitely think it's worth getting, and there's a lot of different Sleek products in there for you to try out. Let's go into the Soap and Glory one. I probably shouldn't be saying all this because I am going to do like a review, not a review, but like a run over tomorrow in tomorrow's video. So I'll try and not say too much about the calendars in today's video. So I'm seeing day number 24, and I do think that this is the last one for this calendar. Ooh, okay, so yeah, 24 days. So this is the final product in this calendar, and unfortunately for me, it's not something that I'm really that interested in. It is the Scrub of Your Life. And it's just a Soap and Glory body scrub. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it, and a lot of people probably were really excited to get this. It's just not something that I'll probably really get much use from. So I might end up gifting it, but that is just what we got in day number 24, the final day in the Soap and Glory calendar. I literally was just about to tell you guys my opinion on it, but I'm not gonna. I suppose I could have given you my opinion on the ones that ended today. Yeah, I'm going to do that because we won't be opening them tomorrow. So the ones that have ended today, like for instance the Soap and Glory one, I think it's a really good calendar. Personally, don't have that many Soap and Glory items. I'm really pleased with the amount of lip glosses that came with it because You got like about 5 or 6 different Mother Pucker lip gloss things, which I'm really pleased with. Yeah, I think you did get quite a few of the samples, but if you're someone who likes different body washes, that will actually be good for you to try them out and see which ones you want to buy. But I think along with that, you got some really good products as well, like makeup products. There's some really good makeup products in there. You don't really think of Soap & Glory as makeup, but yes, definitely would recommend the Soap & Glory one if you haven't had it before and if you haven't got that many products. Does that make sense? That many Soap & Glory products. Right, let's move on to the L one, and I do believe that there's 25 in here as well. But let me just check. So this one is now empty. So actually, there is only 24 in this one. Ooh. Oh, it's a candle. I think it probably is the final day since it's like something completely different. Oh, that's quite strong smelling. Unfortunately, I can't tell you anything about this. I can't tell you the brand, I can't tell you the scent or anything. It just says 1970 on it. Oh, I've just got lipstick on it. It smells familiar though, but I'm not quite sure what it is that I can smell. But it does smell familiar. Let's just have a look. Yeah, that is now empty, so that is the end of the L calendar. Now, it's difficult for me to remember back what we got in that calendar. I think it was a good calendar. There were some really good products, like there was like the Bum Bum cream and stuff like that. I can't remember what else came in there because obviously I've got so many different calendars and I've got so many different things. I think that it was an expensive calendar. And I think really it was as good as like the Glossy Box or the Feel Unique one, but it was, you know, a fair bit more money. Does that make sense? I think it was like 110 or 120 quid for the Elle magazine one. So I would recommend it. It is really nice. There's some really nice products in there, but it is expensive. If you were only going to get one, you could probably go with a cheaper one and get similar products. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense to you guys. So let's have a look in the Glossy Box one and see what we've got. Oh, hang on. Have we done this? Oh, we have done that one. What did I get? Oh yeah, shut up, Sam. It's been a long month, you guys. It's been a long month. So, day number 24. This one does have 25 days in it. So this isn't the last one, but it's the second to last one. And what is this? Ooh, what is this? This is the Michelin Peach Fine Radiance Oil. So this is like a face oil. Okay, it's got, oh, that smells familiar. What does that smell like? I don't know, but I'm quite excited to try this out. I'm actually really getting into face oils, so I'll just show you what it looks like. So that's what we've got there. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. I'm not sure if this brand, I'm not sure if it's a well-known brand or if it's a very expensive brand, but I'm excited to try that out. Let's have a look in the Body Shop one. Day number 24. Ooh, I'm starting to wonder what we're going to get in the Body Shop ones now. Oh, we've got another oil. Oh, I'm so glad it's not the Drops of Youth. We've got quite a few Drops of Youth products, and luckily the ones that we've got are not ones that I have. I do have a couple of the Drops of Youth, but this is the Drops of Life one. Yay, I'm so excited about that. So I haven't tried this. I haven't tried this line at all. Ooh. Not sure how I feel about the smell. I think I prefer the smell of the Drops of Youth. It's got a very fresh, nice scent to it. So this is the Oils of Life. I'm not 100% sure what these ones are supposed to do. Probably there's probably supposed to be more instantly revitalising. So the Drops of Youth are supposed to help with like aging skin, I guess. And this is the Oils of Life, so I'm really pleased that I've got a different product to try out. I'm so happy with Body Shop so far, but I'm not going to do a review on that yet. I'll do that one tomorrow. Let's have a look in the Look Fantastic box. So this is a multitask eye serum mask. So, eye-catching instant results, a silky all-in-one hydrogel eye patch. Formulated, right, anyway, I'm not going to read all that out to you, but it's basically some little eye patches to pop under your eyes, and hopefully, I mean, I do get a lot of creasing under my eyes. I think my skin is just very dehydrated, which makes my fine lines like so much worse. It's very annoying, but yeah. So we just got some little eye mats to pop under your eyes. So that is it for today, you guys. Happy Christmas Eve, everyone. I'm so grateful for you all. You honestly have no idea. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I hope that you have been giving me the thumbs up and leaving me comments and chatting with me down below. I've been chatting with you all this year and this month, and it's just been ace. It's been great to like chat with you all. So I'm gonna leave this video here. I hope you've all had an amazing December so far. It is finally Christmas Eve and tomorrow is going to be an awesome day, and I hope you all have an amazing Christmas. I will see you guys tomorrow, but I will probably see you later on for another video, hopefully. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Merry Christmas Eve, everyone. Bye.